Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. Today is a how-to video on how to install the bumper tab bracket system. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, it's going to be linked up here. We kind of go through the whole entire bracketing system. But this is a how-to. We did not film this video. Our friend Jake in New Jersey filmed this video for us because we don't have the bumper tab problem because we have an aftermarket bumper. It's a little bit of a shorter video today, but we want to kind of cut to the point. We have some tips along the way or at the end. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or email us. Our email will be down in the description below. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy.
Going to be installing the Modern Motors Bumper Tab V2. As you can see, mine is pretty screwed up. I've taken my bumper off plenty of times. This one's not so bad, but they're both pretty bad. Pop open your hood. And you're going to be removing all these bolts. So I'm using a T50 attachment. Then you're going to want to be moving these clips. You have to get inside the wheel well. So you remove this bolt. Probably going to have a bolt down here. And then this should come out. You'll be able to pop this out. So for this, you're going to want an extremely small wrench. Crank it out. The bolt should come right out. Now to do it to the other side. So now probably the hardest thing is removing that bolt right there. Remove the fender lining right here and pop it out so you could fit a ratchet in there to get that bolt out. So to finally be able to get the two bolts out. Now that the bumper is off, what you're going to want to do, I already started, is start removing this access on the side here. And so now that you have all this removed, you can sand this down and you're going to attach it. Look how it perfectly sits on the bumper. So I just put the JB weld on. Little messy job, but my first time doing it, so I think I did a pretty decent job. It's been sitting for about 50 minutes right now. Wow, look at that, guys. Seamless. Wow.
This is supposed to be installed on the bumper and then installed like obviously like normal. I saw some people trying to test fit. You can test fit. The problem is when you try to just pull up on one side, you're putting all the pressure on one individual side versus evenly, which has a potential of breaking it. So if you do want to test fit it, you definitely can. Just make sure to pry up on it evenly. Just like so. That's it. Once it's adhered onto the bumper, you won't have that removal issue, if that makes sense. And to give you guys some context, this is stronger than the OEM material. So this is better than what OEM ever would have been. This has a higher tensile strength than OEM. So if you guys have any issues, questions, or you happen to break it for some reason, make sure to email us. Again, these have a 1-year warranty on them. So just let us know. The only thing that I didn't see mentioned in Jake's video was where he applied the JB Weld. Again, he used JB Weld. You don't have to use JB Weld. You can use JB Weld, plastic bonder, anything that you want that would adhere two plastics together. You can go on Amazon. You can go to AutoZone, any pretty much auto parts store. You can find some type of plastic welder. We'll put our preference down below, a few different options so you guys can choose from. This kit does not come with it. You just go to your auto store and pick some up or go on Amazon. And none of it goes up here. The only place you're really applying it is on the back end on each side, which is right here. So essentially you would apply it all right here and you can either mix it in or do it however you want. But once you apply it and you press it onto your bumper, it will push through all these holes. If you guys can see how it's grabbing into these holes right here. That's the concept on how it works, and it'll have a really nice adhesion. Make sense? Another popular question that's coming up is if we're selling it individual or as a pair. We're selling these as a pair. It's such a common issue, it doesn't make sense to sell one off. Just buy them both simultaneously. So it is a pair. If you're really interested in just one side, we can sell you one side, but you have to send us an email direct, and we'll build that order for you. Just as a reminder, these products have a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts, feel free to reach out to us via email, and we will take care of you.